Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Yet before you guys start telling me I don't like your hairstyle, for those who don't like it, I don't care about your opinion. For those who like it, I respect your opinion. But anyway, today's video is all about linking up with very old family friends. It's someone who used to live close to me like years ago. Long story short, this person moved to the US years ago. They were the first reasons why I got to come to New York. She had invited me in 2005. I came here in New York and I hated it. I remember it distinctly. I really hated my time because her little son was super annoying. Jaman, if you watched the video, you know you're annoying. I'm gonna ask you that when I get over to your house today, God's will. And yeah, every time I came back to New York and they knew I was there, they always asked about me. You know, if I could come link up. I never got the chance, but today I'm making sure that I do get that. It's very important that whenever you have people who, you know, always got your back, always look out for you, no matter what situations were before, or whatever the case is, link up with them, make sure that they're good, and I'll catch you guys when I'm taking the train, and I hope I make it safely on this journey. Yo, Loki did the dumbest thing. Like, I put the camera case inside this case. That didn't make no damn sense. Now I'm just walking around with like extra weight and stuff. But anyway, I'm heading to the train station. I don't quite know. I don't know the directions that well, but yeah, hopefully I get there safe and sound. I'll catch you guys when I hop off the subway onto the railroad type of thing. Right, safely under the subway thing. You're gonna need one of these MetroCard shits. Wow, we went through the first time. I usually mess up with it, but yeah, I think I'm taking the C train, I believe. Yeah. Luckily I saw a girl just now and I asked her like if it's the right train, and she said yeah, the A or the C takes you there, but I gotta go up and around. I need to figure that out, like what's the difference? Like one says to Manhattan, I don't get it. I'm on the train, so I'm just waiting to get on. I think they said Nostrand Avenue is going to be the next stop, so I hope I don't miss it. So she said come off at Nostrand and go up on some platform. I don't know if I need to get outside or what, to go up on some platform to get like a regular train, not a subway. Okay, cool. Yo, let me just say this. I was pretty much lost for like 7 minutes just now. First of all, on the subway thing it says, oh, the LIRR, which is Long Island Railroad, is 3 blocks south. Most Jamaicans don't know what the hell is south. Like, we know north, south, east, and west. Never ever smoke weed, like we know that. But luckily I have an iPhone, so I just went onto the compass thing and it showed me like what direction is south. Though I'm heading to south right now. It says 3 blocks, which I know what the blocks are. And yeah, it's crazy out here, man. Alright, so I just saw a train pass by, so I'm sure like I'm in the right direction. I did see the railway, I did see this from where I was, but I wasn't so sure, so yeah. Alright, so here's the funny thing about New York. So far I've asked about 4 persons for directions and 50% of the times they didn't know. Reason being, most of them are not even from New York. Most of them are traveling just like I am and they don't even know where the hell they're going either. But anyway, I did ask to find a platform up here. Here's a damn platform. I am so happy that I found the platform. I did ask this Indian dude. He was like, I'm not from here, but he did spot it out for me. So thank you, Mr. Sir. Let me turn back. This place does have a schedule that I might miss, but I'm thirsty, so I need to get something to drink. And I did see a store here, so let's go get something. Thank you, sir. That's the one thing I hate here. There's just too much. Bro, there's just like too many different things to choose from, bro. I want something like with ginseng or something like that. Raspberry, nah. Oh. Let's try something that looks like it's gonna taste bad. Black tea. Alright, I got what I came for. Lucky for me, I read it before I walked out the store because it said unsweetened black tea. I ain't messing with that. Yo, ain't this some adventure, man. But anyway, I'm up here, got my iced tea. The iced tea tastes so good. It costs like $2.50, but it's really good. So I got my ticket. Was just talking for like 10 minutes just now to make sure that I'm on the right platform. Everything is good. So yeah, I'm just here waiting. The sun is out. What I like about the weather here now, it's about, I don't know, maybe it's, yeah, it's 7:40 right now at the moment. So the sun is still out, which is strange. In Jamaica, the sun has been gone down and stuff. So yeah, train is coming from here 8 o'clock. And I'll catch you guys soon. I'm pretty much just watching the trains go by. My train's getting here at 8:02, so I'm gonna be pretty much waiting here for like 30 minutes.
They had open water.
So I believe she said turn right as soon as I come off the train. I hope I'm not wrong, but yeah. So that my dude is supposed to be waiting for me somewhere out there. Did she say right? Oh boy. You know when your mom sends you out to the store and you forgot what she said? Me right now. Alright, so I just saw this kid. Yo, legit, I haven't seen this kid since 2005, I think, because the last time I saw this dude.
2005, really?
Yeah, bro. That's like graduation and stuff. What's
Hello,
up?
how are you?
What's up, bro?
And what's crazy, I actually wanted to introduce you to also my friend from Angola.
Ah, cool. What's up? How you doing, man?
Hi, my bro.
Nice to meet you.
I met him online.
Cool. Like the same business idea type of stuff?
Yeah, he's here teaching Afros and Kuduro.
Yeah.
What's that?
Kuduro. How you pronounce it?
Central African dance.
Oh, it's a dance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah.
All right.
So it's crazy because on Tuesday, I think was Tuesday supposed to come? I
Yeah.
was saying I wanted to meet you, but when you would have came,
Yeah.
he would have left and y'all just came off for the
Same train. Really?
Yeah.
You know what I need to try? I need to try some of that damn tea that you be selling, bro.
Yeah, that's
All right, let's get it. All right, so pretty much just having a cheese pizza. Yeah, so we're here pretty much just catching up and just talking about a whole heap of stuff. Jamon just gave me a book called
4 Agreements.
The 4 Agreements, of course. I did start a book that my aunt gave to me. I'm probably like 35 pages in, but this one seems a bit smaller. I'm gonna read this one as well. It's good to read. They always say like if you want to hide something a black man, put it in a book. But how many books have you read so far? Maybe like over 50? Wow, that's dope. Yeah, we out here having like some really deep conversations. Like yeah, it's 11 o'clock.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh man, yeah, 11.
It's 11:03 right now, and I'm heading back home. But just so that you guys don't get lost when I'm like, yo, I'm going to bed now. I'm at the train station. Yo, so I'm on a train now, and I experience this all the time. Like every time, like I get to see people who I've never seen for a while, and it's just that feeling of like, yo, I hope to see you again soon, you know? It's just like, yo, one thing with me, I always prefer leaving someone. Like I prefer leaving their house and going back to mine, and them coming to my space and then leaving. But yeah, anyway, I'm on my way home right now. I don't think there's much that I have to vlog after this, so I'm just gonna end the video here. Remember, you see things, guys, love, nature, adaptation, always remember, keep the link.
train arriving now on track 2 will be stopped at Woodside Exit Station. The near train to Kennedy International Airport is located towards the rear of this train on the mezzanine level.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Another beautiful day, back at the train station. Funny enough, where I was yesterday, that's where the ticket was sold, as I said, over here, nothing like that. So instead of walking over, you know, I was talking to some people and they're telling me like I could buy my ticket on the app. Yo, God bless America, great place. So I went to Jimmy J's, got some new shoes, which I'm really liking. I'm gonna go to Bath & Body Works, get a few stuff for some people, and then I'm supposed to be picked up to be taken to the movies and to go get something to eat. It's a great day. Man, I would live here. I think I'm gonna work on that. So the train just left just now. We're on our way. Yo, I just love it, like how these things are just so efficient. Like you can buy everything on the phone. You can take a train, like, bro. Yo, so I'm in the Bath & Body Works store. It's crazy in here. There's probably like, bro, like, there's like probably 30 women in here. Everybody's just shopping and getting stuff. Big up to my friend Kenya. She was the one who was like, yo, there's a big sale going on here. So I thought I might hit it up because my mom needed something as well. So yeah, I'm in here. And it's interesting. Alright, so I'm pretty much waiting outside. Like behind me there's the Barclays Center. Yeah, somewhere back there. What I'm glad about today I actually really figured out like how to take the train to get here where the shopping mall is and other stuff are. So I'm not so reliant on certain things, so that's kind of good. Alright, so we pretty much just walk into the car, I presume. And yeah, Barclays Center is over there. So yeah, yo, today's a great day in New York. It's kind of sad that I came at this time because like, yo, I never thought like you was gonna have like so many rainy days and stuff like that, but I'm due back here in a couple weeks, so yeah. But anyway, I'll catch you guys soon. Alright, so this is where we're going, Black Swan. It's actually the name of a very popular ballet. It kind of feels like I'm about to go into like some underground kind of fight. So just so you guys get an overall vibe of this place, it feels like, you know those spots that you don't really know about? Like the entrance isn't big or fancy, nothing like that, but when you come in, it's kind of like dungeon-esque. It's kind of like that, but I like the vibe. The food looks interesting. So I'll tell you guys how that is when I try it, but I'm just here pretty much just vibing for my last couple hours here. And man, look what I got. Oh, whiskey sour. I'm good. My plate is, yo, I'm low-key nice right now. My plate is good. I got ribeye steak. I got eggs. I got potato. Let me taste the dibbies. Oh my god. I got some veggies. And right over here got waffles and chicken. You're boring for that. And I need more drink. Yo, when I tell you I'm nicer, let me tell you, alright, my body feels warm. My body feels warm. My lips, my face feels a little bit numb already. It's because I'm not like a hardcore drinker. I'm not playing, I'm serious.